Open your Illustrator, then take a text file. Sorry, typography like me. You can choose any kind of text you want. I choose Nihil text. Now I have to go Windows, then I go to type option and go to the graphs to make some style on this text. After completing style, I just create outline of it and I go to Pathfinder, adjust it. Now I am going to cut this into piece of piece to make something creative design. After confirming it, I will add some color on it. You can take any kind of color you want. It's complete now. Now I have to group and in 3D shape I make some chains like me, two chains like me. Now I have to go the bevel option. I make the weight 9% and I'll adjust some lighting on it so it look realistic. I go to materials. I make some change of roughness and some change on metallic. And I'll add some softness more. Now it's complete. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to see more video like this.